Greetings COL 105 students. Wanted to share a video with you this week about how to complete your critical thinking assignment because it has multiple parts and sometimes can get a little complex. So to find the assignment, you're going to click on course content and you'll go down to the week 6 folder and you'll click there, and what you're going to see here in the folder is that your objectives for the week is that you're going to research a controversial topic using the Greenville Tech library databases, and then you're going to argue and defend that position on a debate. So I'm going to walk you through how to complete all of that. So you'll see that as you scroll down through this folder that there is a discussion board called the Critical Thinking Drawbridge Exercise. This is always a fun discussion board post, so I hope you enjoy that. And then you're going to see some videos to help you navigate the Greenville Tech Library. So I'm going to walk you through how to find that information today, but just in case you need to go back and look at some of these, they're all linked in here. And then you have the critical thinking assignment. So you're going to conduct the research using the Greenville Tech library databases, and what you're going to be researching is this topic. Federal and state governments should fund 2 years of tuition-free access to community, technical, and junior colleges. So what you're going to research is in the opposing viewpoints database, and you're going to research articles that support this statement, and you're going to research articles that oppose this statement. And you're going to put the information from your research on this critical thinking note card template. So let me share with you the template. I have already opened it, but you click on it here and it will open, and this is what will open. And so you have these little boxes, and think of them as note cards, and you're going to type in these boxes statements from the articles that you've researched that are either for, right, which is supporting that statement about whether the federal and state governments should fund 2 years of college, and you're going to put those statements in the for areas of this section. And I would just, you can copy and paste information from the articles, but I would only do maybe 1-2 points maximum per card, okay, or per area. So you're going to have 5 points total, and 5 note cards or 5 kind of statements total, and then you'll put a citation of where you got that information. And you can have more than one citation here, so you could have 2 citations from 2 different articles that support the funding for 2 years of community college or 2 years of college. Then you would have information against. So, what are the articles and people saying who are against providing those 2 years of free college? What kinds of facts and statements are they stating? And so you'd find an article or 2 articles that support that, and then you'll put those statements in the areas that have an A for against that statement. And then you have a citation box here too. So you're going to fill this out using your research, and you're going to submit this. This is the critical thinking assignment. Then you also need to post on the discussion board debate. So let me go back to GTC for me, or I'm sorry, for Blackboard, and you'll see here the critical thinking online debate. So you're going to use the information from the research, and I want you to either post one argument either for the supporting of the 2 years funding for tuition free or against. You can choose to go on either side. And then I want you to respond to a minimum of 2 classmates' postings using that information that you've researched. So you can either support your classmates, or you can oppose them on the discussion board, but we want to stick to the facts that you have found through your research in the library databases. So let me show you where to go to get the information for your research. So you're going to use this opposing viewpoints database. Now there are several ways that you can access the databases from the Greenville Tech Library. And again, going back to these videos, you will see how you can use the videos to find those. But let me just walk you through the Opposing Viewpoints database and how to get there. So I'm going to use GTC for Me to access it. So I've already logged into GTC for Me, and now I'm going to click on the Library Research Guides. Now, we're not using a research guide, we're using a database. So I need to come up here and click on Research and click on Databases. And then I want to search the databases using A to Z. And I'm going to click O for Opposing. And then you'll see here Opposing Viewpoints in Context, Gale. So I'm going to click on that link. And it will then open this Opposing Viewpoints database. Now I'm going to use the search box because I want to put in my topic. Now you could put in tuition, college tuition, and I'm going to put in college tuition and student loans just because I know that that's where this information, some good information is located. So you could do the same thing. And it's just going to provide this little overview area. And then you'll see here on this page there are 93 academic journals. There are 7,350 news articles on this. There are 79 viewpoints, 1,885 magazines, primary sources, videos, statistics, references. 371 of them have an audio feature that you can listen to it. So lots of information on this particular topic. I'm going to start by clicking this Read More because this will help me get a better understanding of the topic and the issues. And again, this one does have a listening feature. You can also send this to your Google Drive. If you don't have time to look at it now, you can email it to yourself. You can print it. You can download it. So a lot of different things you can do with this and where you can send it. So notice you'll have all the information here along with other articles. And in this particular area, you're going to see both statements that support this topic and statements that oppose this topic. But I want you to go beyond just this one article, okay, and find additional information. And so you're going to see reasons for supporting this and reasons against it in this particular area. Now, one of the things that I really like about using the databases is that each one of the articles you'll see has a source citation area, and so you make sure you're using MLA because that's what we use for this class, but then you can simply copy and paste this into your note card template for your citation cards. And then you don't have to use other resources. So then notice there's more like this, and you can click here to get even more related articles on this particular topic. So I'm hoping that you'll find some good information. I'm interested in seeing your note cards and where you stand on this particular issue. There are pros and cons to every issue out there, and so I'm interested to see kind of where you side on this particular topic. So I hope you enjoy researching this, finding out more information, and then posting your debate topics or your debate statements out there on the online debate this week. So the critical thinking assignment and the online debate are both due, along with that discussion board called the drawbridge exercise, are all due by 11:59 p.m. on November the 1st. I hope you enjoy it. Thank you.